As you are aware, Python and R are popular languages used in the field of data science. Python has several libraries that offer widely used tools used in data manipulation. One such popular Python library is Pandas, which stands for Python Data Analysis Library. What is cool about Pandas is that it can take data from, say, a CSV file and store it into a Python object called a data frame. This is quite similar to a database table. The data in this table can then be manipulated to provide useful output. In this real-world example, we will see how regular expressions can be used with a Pandas data frame. So over to Jupyter Notebook. Let's say we have a file that stores details of patients and their appointments. We have the appointment date, the patient name, their condition, and the time for their next appointment. Let us pull this data into a Pandas data frame and gather details from it. So first we import the Pandas library and then use the readCSV function to load our data into a data frame. Our data frame has but a single column. Let us access it like so. Since our data contains text, Pandas has stored it as an object data type. Let us check the type of this column here. It is a series. Please note this. Time now to perform operations on each cell. Let's say we wanted to know the number of characters in each cell. How do we proceed? The series object is equipped with a set of string processing methods that make it easy to operate on each element of the series. These are accessed via the str attribute. Let us see this in action. As you can see, we have invoked the str attribute on our series, and this gives us access to the len function. And this is then applied on all elements of the series. Just what the doctor ordered. Sorry for that bad pun. Now we wish to know the number of words or tokens in each appointment. So we will first split each sentence into its tokens using the split function. This gives us a list, and we will then find the length of this list using the len function. Pretty compact, right? Now let us manipulate our data. So say we wished to replace the / characters in the date with a dash. Let us use the replace function for that. So far we have not introduced regular expressions since there was no pertinent need to do so. Let's change that. So for privacy reasons, we wish to encode the patient's condition. So we will replace these values in brackets with a series of x's. A good case for using regular expressions. We will first create a compiled pattern and then use the pattern like so. Now let's say we wished to capture just the appointment details. No patient or problem, but just the date and time so we see how busy our clinic has been this month. We can use the extract function along with parentheses which group patterns to extract. I wish to extract just the date and time, so we will create patterns for both and enclose them in parentheses. Cool. But it would be nicer to have proper column names rather than the 0 and 1. No problem. Named groups to the rescue. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it useful. Regex, as you can see, has far-reaching applications. We will see many more examples in this course. Thanks and bye for now.